Welcome Freedom Hero. From this episode you will find out about the best 9 digital marketing strategies. If you are around the beginning of your marketing journey, this episode will give you a great overview on the best ways to start. So let's dive in now. Although Google is the #1 search platform, soon you will understand exactly why we leave it out and instead focus specifically on. My name is István Bújdosó and this is the 47 Marketing Show that reveals smart tips and efficiency hacks for busy entrepreneurs to get more marketing done in less time. We live in an age where people search before they buy, and besides that, they want to trust who they buy from. That's why the content plus value first strategy works so well. With that, you not only can show up in front of those who search through your content, you can also build trust in your potential clients and show them that you can solve their problems. And now let's go through the 9 strategies that will help you with that. Strategy number 1, video content. When your potential leads and clients have a problem, they search to find a solution. The 2 most popular ways people do that is via a Google search or a YouTube search. Although Google is the #1 search platform, soon you will understand exactly why we leave it out and instead focus specifically on video content on YouTube now. That platform is the 2nd largest search engine where people can find the right videos quickly. Create your videos with the intention of answering a specific question or solving a specific problem that your potential audience has. So when they watch your videos, they get the answers or the solutions, and they also get to know you, like you, and trust you. Besides that, the huge efficiency benefit for you is that every video that you publish is working for you 24/7, 365 days to build your audience. Once your videos provide answers and solutions to your target audience and build trust in them, the next step is to gently direct those who are ready to your offers, and that leads us to strategy number 2, lead and sales funnels. In case you are not familiar with sales funnels, in a nutshell, funnels are special websites that step-by-step turn visitors into leads and clients. Lead and sales funnels also tend to outperform normal websites, and the main reason for that is normal websites provide too many options for the visitors to click around and get distracted. On the other hand, funnels lead visitors through a simple and focused step-by-step journey, while funnels helping you to capture leads and get sales on autopilot. This is only the beginning of your relationship with those people, which leads us to the next digital marketing strategy that every entrepreneur should use. Strategy number 3, email marketing. It's a simple fact that most leads are not ready to buy from you yet when they join your email list, and most of those customers who buy something small from you are not yet ready to invest into your bigger services and products. When you follow up with them regularly, over time, some of them will get to know you, like you, and trust you, and then buy more things from you. The key is to do follow-ups regularly. The more leads and clients you have, the more challenging that is when you do it manually. That's where email marketing will give you a huge benefit, and that is consistent automated follow-ups. From the beginning of your marketing and business journey, start building up your follow-up email sequences. Through those daily emails, your leads and clients build more trust in you. And when they are ready, they will buy more from you again and again and again. If you like these 3 tips so far, please support us with a like. Simply click on the like button right now. I will wait for you to do that. Thank you for the like. And now let's continue with the rest of the strategies. Number 4, social media marketing. According to digitalmarketing.org, on average, global internet users spend 144 minutes on social media sites every day, which is almost 2.5 hours per day. So if you're not leveraging social media marketing, that means you are missing out on growing your business faster. Here's another key element of this area. From all these social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and all the others, your target audience prefers some of them. So know where your target audience hangs around the most and focus on those platforms and create your content to the uniqueness of those platforms. With that, you will reach your target audience in a style and format they prefer to consume content, which ultimately will lead you to build your audience, get leads and clients from social media. Strategy number 5, podcasting. We live in a fast-paced world, and the way people consume content is changing. More and more people are choosing to listen to something while they are doing activities like driving, working out, or house chores. And one of those things that they choose to listen to is podcasts. According to Brandostic, in 2020, over 155 million people listen to a podcast every week, and that number keeps growing and growing. Because of the way mainly people consume podcasts while doing something else, they listen to longer episodes or multiple ones in one go, which allows the creator, for example you, to build a stronger connection with their audiences. Besides that, with apps like Anchor, it's really easy to get started with doing podcasts. And that's why podcasting is one of the best digital marketing strategies for beginners. And if you don't feel like starting with your own podcast or want to boost your reach, you can arrange to be interviewed on many existing podcasts. Number 6, blogging and SEO. While some people prefer to watch videos or listen to podcasts, others love reading. Plus, Google is the number 1 most visited website in the world with 92.5 billion monthly views, as stated on Visual Capitalist. As I mentioned it earlier, people search before they buy, and with the strategy of blogging and SEO, you get the chance to get in front of a lot of your target audience. If you create a blog post that intentionally answered the questions and solve the problems of your target audience, then they will read more of your blog posts, and that means they will get to know you, like you, and trust you more, which is essential before you can turn them into leads and clients. In the first strategy, I mentioned that is a specific reason why we started with focusing on video content on YouTube. Although blogging and SEO is one of the best strategies, soon you will understand exactly why creating videos is even better. Number 7, paid advertising. When some people talk about free traffic, it is so exciting, but the reality is there is no such a thing. Either you pay with your money or with your time to get in front of your target audience. While content creation, SEO, and social media marketing are great strategies to organically reach potential leads and customers, at the same time, they all take a lot of time. With paid advertising, you can speed things up a lot and also reach more people. When you have the budget for it, it's a great digital marketing strategy to add to your arsenal even as a beginner. To avoid huge mistakes, either hire an expert to do it for you or invest into your own learning about this strategy. Number 8, community. Generally, human beings like to belong to a group of like-minded people, which you can leverage as digital marketing strategy in your business. And there are 2 ways you can do that. One of them is you create and facilitate a community and bring your ideal leads and clients together. Besides people getting value from being surrounded by like-minded people, you can also add exclusive content into the community. And all that keeps building the trust in you of your target audience. So when they see your offer, they will more likely buy. The other way is leveraging existing third-party groups, providing value and building relationships in there without directly promoting yourself. And those people who build some trust in you, they will check out your profile or search on you, and that way indirectly find your offers. Depending on where your target audience likes to hang around, you can use various platforms. Just to mention a few: Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, Clubhouse, Discord, and the list could go on and on. Strategy number 9, repurposing. As I mentioned earlier, there was a specific reason why we started with the strategy of creating videos for YouTube. The reason is videos can be the fundamental of repurposing, which is a great efficiency hack to get more marketing done in less time. Let me explain what repurposing means. Imagine this: what if you could record one video and the power of that could be multiplied by 10-15 times with minimal work? That's what repurposing does. You can record one about 10-minute long video, then get a few freelancers to turn that video into 10-15 smaller videos and copies and images, and get a virtual assistant to use those 10-15 extra content assets as social media posts, stories, blog posts, emails, and so on. That's why video creation and publishing is the #1 best strategy on this list, because that can serve as the fundamental for the other digital marketing strategies on this list. When you are starting out, all these strategies at once can be overwhelming. So pick one of them, get started with it, focus only on that one for a while, master it, then add another strategy, master that one too, and then add the next strategy, and so on and so on and so on. In the description, you can find more relevant resources, and in the comments, let us know which strategy you would like to learn more about. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, it helps the channel a bit, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified of the future videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, see you in the next one.